Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making egg salad. This is a good lunch for me. It's very tasty, really easy to make, and if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, if you're going to make egg salad, the first thing you need is some hard-boiled eggs. You need a pan with a lid. You need to put your eggs in cold water. You bring it to a boil and you let it cook for 1 minute. And we'll be back when that's done. Okay, they're boiling. So I'm going to set the timer for 1 minute and be back when that's done. Okay, minute's done. I'm going to turn off the flame. I'm going to put the lid on. And I'm going to set this timer for 10 minutes. After the eggs have been sitting for 10 minutes, then I'm going to drain the hot water off and keep rinsing them in cold water until they're cooled down. While I'm waiting for the eggs, I'm having a nice cup of Twinings Buttermint Tea. This is perfect for this time of year. It tastes like vanilla and mint. And I'm really hooked on this stuff. Okay, the 10 minutes is up. And I'm just going to drain this in the sink. I'm going to run cold water on these several times until they have cooled down. Making them this way, they almost always turn out perfectly. They're easy to peel. And the yolks always seem to be nice bright yellow. And I've been doing it this way for so many years. Okay, and I'll be back when they're cool, and I'm going to peel them and we'll get started with the egg salad. Okay, I've peeled 6 of the eggs. The leftovers are going back in their container, and I always put an HB on the end of it so the family knows that they're hard-boiled and they don't try to crack them for breakfast. So what we're going to do is chop the eggs, and to that we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of mayo or Miracle Whip, about a teaspoon of relish, some whole celery seed, and some dry mustard. And you can see how perfect they turn out every time by boiling them the way I do. I don't like my egg salad to be over chunky. So what I'll do is I'll take a fork and just kind of mash it up. And once I get these mashed, I'll put them in the bowl. Okay, I have the chopped eggs in a bowl, and I'm going to put the mayonnaise and the relish. And you may need more mayo, but I always start off with about a 1/4 cup. And about a teaspoon, you may need more. I'm sprinkling lightly with the celery seed and lightly with the mustard. And now I'm going to mix this and see how I like the consistency and see if I need any more. And we'll be back when I'm done with that. I don't know if you can see how this looks a little dry over here, so I'm going to add about another tablespoon of mayo to it. And that should be just about done. So we'll be back. And if you want to add a little more color to it, put a little paprika in here, and it won't change the taste, but it does give it color. And once you have that all mixed up, you're putting it on bread or toast or whatever to have yourself a sandwich. They're also really good with put on crackers. I'll be back after I've got it on the bread. And this will keep in the fridge for a couple of days. Just make sure you seal it up. Okay, there it is in sandwich form. And you can add lettuce to this. Make this your own. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.